You see my little fancy water? Am I an official YouTuber now? I'm here to talk to you today about my Boxycharm. Because I love my Boxycharm. So, y'all see this? So, you guys already saw my Ipsy video where I talked about the 5 products that they send you for $10. Boxycharm is like Ipsy on steroids. You get 4 to 5 full size products for 21 coins, okay? $21. So this is what I got this month. This is what it looks like. Confession. Last month I filmed a Boxycharm video, but for the first time in like forever, I got like a trash box. And I was just like, why? I'm not even gonna post this because first of all, it's December. If I'm gonna start this series, I might as well start January of the new year. And I was just so blown. Like, I'm like, did y'all run out of stock out of Black Girl products because none of the shades matched? They were not for me. But this month is looking like, yes. Okay, toss this aside. All right. So, in this month's box, we have a Bronze and Brighten something from Pure. We have the It Cosmetics Brow Power Side Eye. It Cosmetics isn't known for being the most inclusive brands, the most POC friendly brand, so we gonna see. We have a Dr. Brandt primer, okay? Yes! And we have a Galactic matte lip paint. And we have a Crown Glam Metals eyeshadow palette. It's just like, y'all, this box is so lit. Okay, all right. So first of all, we're gonna start with the primer. It is Illuminizing, okay, sorry, Pores No More Illuminizing Primer. And so I do have combination skin, but I still like to look radiant AF. So what I do is I use Illuminizing or Radiant type primer all over and then go in with the mattifying primer on my T-zone. My skin feels good. It makes my skin soft. Oh my god, it smells like mint. I like that. Look, if your breath stinks, just put a little bit of extra around your lips. Apply on clean, moisturized skin. Use alone for a natural bounce of light on the skin, or under makeup to prep your skin for a flawless application, AM and PM. For all skin types. Okay, and this is 1 ounce. Okay. So far my skin feels good. So when I apply the foundation, we'll see if it makes a difference. So next we're going to try the Side Eye Brow product from It Cosmetics. And this is in the shade Universal Taupe. Red flags already. First of all, taupe was never universal. Not for this melanin, okay? Let's clear that up first. You guys want me zoomed in? You wanna see more of my face? You wanna see more of my face? First of all, it's hella dark. You know what? Bitch, I ain't mad. Let me find out they actually got something universal that works. Well, for me anyways, if you're like darker skin. But the fact that It Cosmetics actually has something that even remotely works for me, bro, I'm shooketh. I'm going to do the rest of my base and then we'll do the eyeshadow and all the other stuff after that. So, BRB. Alright, so moving on to the eyeshadow palette. This is the Crown Glam Metals palette. Yeah, it's really cute. It has a little guitar mirror right here, which is cute. Can you see yourself? Hello! Okay, that's what the colors look like. Which, I mean, these are like bomb smoky eye colors right here. So guess what I'm doing today? A smoky eye. Actually, I think we're going to do one eye first. And then continue because I don't want to waste your time. All right, so going in with the shade The Wicked in the crease. All right, so I'm like really picking up that color, tapping off the excess, and using tapping motions to get the most amount of color. Let's see how this looks with spray. Okay. Okay. There we go. I am not, yo, damn. This palette is good for those that are scared of color because you can have that natural color payoff where it's not too much, it doesn't scare you off. But then if you want to take it up a level, you want to boost it, you know, if you want to take some Coke, you know, but add some Hennessy to it, you could do that too. I like that. I like that. All right. Alone is Coke. Spray with your little Fix Plus or little Elf Satin Mist, and you got you a nice little cocktail, okay? So now the eye look is done. So all in all, this was a pretty good palette. Like I said, if you're one of those people that don't like a lot of color immediately once you know, dip the brush into the palette and dip it on your eyes, like this would be something that you should consider. If you do want to intensify it, you can always spray with some Fix Plus, whatever setting spray, and that will take your shadow to the next level. Now, if you're one of those, you know, scratch or swirl type people, make sure you're brushing off the excess before you apply it on your lid, because you will get a little bit of fallout like I did here because I forgot, wasn't paying attention. Okay, so there aren't really any matte colors in this palette besides the black. We have these shimmer colors here, but it seems like some of these are satin, so you can use them almost as a matte color because it won't bring too much sheen to the eye, but they're not a flat matte either. So next product we have is a Pure Bronze and Brighten. Okay, so these little bronze palettes, I mean, who are they really bronzing? Not me, okay? But this bronze shade has a shimmer, so bitch, can we say highlighter palette? Ooh, Pure, come on. Come on, Pure. Like y'all play. Jackie, this your people? This your people, Jackie? Auntie Jackie. Jackie. If you're in the beige category, like this will give you a nice bronze. You know, if you have a nice caramel skin tone, like if you like a dewy, still healthy, bronzy bronze look, this is everything. I mean, if you like a matte bronze, this probably isn't for you. But bro, I like that this is still chocolate girl friendly because hello highlighter. Oh my god, this is beautiful. So I'm gonna use this as a blush shade. I'm gonna use this as a highlighter and top this on top of that because I like to mix my highlighters anyways. So yeah, there's no way this will work as a bronzer for me. Actually, let me go ahead and contour my face real quick because this whole little potato look ain't working for me right now. Okay, do I still look like a potato? Do I still look like a potato? Come on, bronze me. Okay, it's a little better. Ooh, I on this color as a blush. Yay! Oh my god, and I like it has like satin because it's not like shimmery, but it'll give you a nice there's such a pretty sheen on the cheeks. Oh, oh gosh. Hey, look at this. Come on, sister. Look at the blush, sister. But I am not. All right, just tapping. I'm way. I don't cool it. Oh. Pierre, how you gonna make something that wasn't made for my skin tone, but still have it popping on my skin tone? How? How? You don't need too much. Just a little bit, you know? Look like you've been drinking your water. You've been moisturizing, staying out the sun, okay? Using the SPF. And then, that's when you're going for this middle shade. And I'm like, so it doesn't have like chunks of glitter in it or anything like that. Like, it's literally just a beautiful sheen. Y'all see how I keep rubbing my face? Like, it's just a beautiful sheen. Oh my God, y'all forgot I had another product. I still got liquid lipstick. So per usual, because I never go without this, I'm going to line my lips very quickly. Y'all, this Shea Moisture lip liner smells like straight crayons. Honestly. Like, it's really just a crayon. Alright, so it's this nice little pinky color. Ooh, calm down. Simmer down. Oh. Oh my God. It smells like something, but I can't put my... Oh, it smells so good. It smells like something I used to eat or drink as a child. And I'm pretty sure it's really fattening and people told me not to. Nutriment. It smells like Nutriment. Oh my God, it smells like Nutriment. I used to drink it when I was younger and they told me to stop drinking it because I was fat. Oh my God, childhood memories. Bitch. Y'all see this color though? First of all, it's hella watery. Like Stunna, Rihanna's lippy watery. It smells like Nutriment. When I used to be skinny. It applies very smoothly. It's very thin. And it smells amazing. The color is beautiful. You are my rock, 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 rock. You are my rock, 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 rock. So far so good. The formula isn't sticky. I'm not getting that pulled lip effect. It blended well with the lip liner. I didn't have to do too much work. It smells good. Okay. All this for $21. $21. The total value is, let's see, so 38 plus 24 plus 25 plus 34 plus 23 is equal to $144, bro. You paid $21 and got $144 worth of product. You cannot beat that. I'm telling you, Boxycharm is the best thing that ever came into my life. Thank you so much for watching, guys. You have no idea how much I appreciate you guys sharing my videos, you guys commenting and liking. Like, it really means the world to me. Like, y'all really fuck with me. I don't know why. But you guys do, and I thank you so very much. And I will see you in the next video, okay? Toodles! Y'all see my little Haiti hat in the corner? Sac passe, na boule.